Hey everybody, I'm Lady Red, and I've got an unboxing for you, the Nokia 3.1 Plus. Check this out. Let's see what it says. Stunning 6-inch HD Plus display, octa-core processing power, and 4G LTE speed. I'm going to throw that other phone in the road in a minute. Dual lens 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera with depth sensing imaging. Powerful 3500 milliamp battery. Awesome. Alright. The tape, as you can see, has not been cut, but it keeps coming loose. So we're going to open her up. And this, as you know, is available only with Cricket Wireless. Let's see here. Ooh. Here's the device. Let's see what else we got. You know, of course, you're going to have your literature, your Cricket SIM, and a big old fat charging block. Let's check this one out. Can you see that? Let's zoom in. This is going to be a fast charge. I do believe it's going to charge your phone up pretty quick. Alright. And we are going to have USB Type C charging. There it is, USB Type C. For all you USB Type C fans. Alright. Yep. USB Type C charging. Your bottom microphone. Up here you're going to have a camera. Front speaker, this is going to be your call speaker. Headphone jack and microphone. Your dual cameras, flash, fingerprint sensor, Nokia, branding, and the Cricket tramp stamp. And that's going to be your media speaker. What you're hearing in the background is Omar assisting the customer. And there is your power key and your volume rocker. And I would like for you to take note that there is no SIM tray. Why? This is why. There it is. The battery is non-removable, but there is your SIM slot. Look at that. For your SIM card and your micro SD card. It does have expandable storage. It has a good weight to it. I don't like a phone that's too light. I want to know I have a device in my hand. I want something to hang on to. When it's too light, I drop it. A lot. It's not quite as heavy as my Supra. It's close, just not quite. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Our favorite part. There it is. And I like this little bit of branding right here. I like a little bit of branding right there. Power it up. And this is running Android 9 Pie. I'm going to include at the end of this video a full spec sheet. And I want to I don't want to skip the setup for this one because it is running Android 9 Pie, and I haven't seen it yet. So I want to take a pretty good look at it today too. English. No, I don't have a mobile network, so we're going to skip. I'm going to go to the Wi-Fi. Alright, you can't see this part. Alright. Checking for updates. Let's see how fast this baby sets up. Not too bad. Oh, look at there. Not too bad. Along. We've got mobile services taken care of. And there's all of my apps. Nice. Very little bloatware. Way to go, Nokia. The Nokia is free of bloatware.
I like it.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm cheating on Motorola.
Should get that now.
I'm really thinking about it.
I'll buy it one day. Very cheap.
Yeah, it is.
$60.
Oh, we're not giving the price on the video. Because somebody might watch it after the price changes. I'm really fascinated with this phone. And the Android 9 Pie is beautiful. Let's see.
True, this iPad is supervised by another computer. I cannot use it on this computer. What the fuck?
There is all of your settings. Let's take a look. The About phone. Nokia 3.1 Plus. Model and hardware. Android version 9. There's your camera firmware. Your build date, build number. Let's access to... Whoa. Oh, that's right. I forgot I did that. So we're not going to open developer options just yet. Now check that out. Oh. Let's see. There we go. Back to the home screen. Now let's check the app menu. I like the user interface. I find it very friendly. Y'all can't see that. And look, if you start at the bottom and flip up, there's your recent apps. So let's open a couple of them. Let's open YouTube. Just for the sake of closing it again. And now let's find... Oh, look, there it is. And you can scroll through and you can see the whole thing. I like this feature. I like that. App drawer. Where are you, app drawer? Now this could be a little obnoxious. App drawer is a... Oh, there we go. You gotta swipe it just right. Let's play a game. Let's put Darkness Rises on here and see how we do with gaming. We've got Darkness Rises all set up and ready to go. All the patch files are downloaded. Let's take a look. Loading. There we go. Load speed is good. And again, there's a reason I use Darkness Rises for my videos. It's graphics intensive. I don't get my ass shot off in the first 5 minutes. And I really like the game. But it's also a good way to judge the real quality of the device and gaming capabilities. This is a good game for that. So, let's jump in it. And if anybody wants to play with me on Darkness Rises, we can play player versus player. I'm Lady Chaos. Madam Chaos. Lady Chaos is on another device. And here we go. It's loading really quick. I like that. It's a good, solid processor in it. 3 gigs of RAM, performing nicely. Oh, the tap thing. Wow, that is a feature we're definitely going to want to disable. Let's do that now. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so if you're going to game on this, you're definitely going to want to go into your settings. And you're going to want to find Display, Advanced, tap to wake, double tap on the screen. I just noticed this. Look at there, that's nice. What we're looking for is the 3 tap thing, where you do, I bet it's here. Yep, right there, magnification. We're going to turn that back off. If you're going to game, turn that off. Keep that in mind. And now watch this. Oh, no, crap. There we go. And we go right back into our game just like that. Just that fast. Of course, I lost that round, but it happens. We had some issues. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. Uh-oh. Come on, bitch. Look, she running. Oh. She got me. Let's try it again. Oh, that's the one. That's enough. You get the point. Let's see. Let's do... let's answer the phone. Okay, so let's play a full round. Oh, wait a minute. And see how it does in regular gameplay. Because that was a player versus player. A duel. Got my ass kicked. I'm a little rusty.
Yo. Question.
Answer.
Are you on the phone?
No. Alright. Omar had a question. I had an answer. And now back to our game. Gaming experience is very smooth. This game does have a few glitches, but considering it's the same kind of glitch on multiple devices, I'm going to say it's a game glitch. Great graphics experience. I'm digging it. I tell you what, y'all may see me with this phone before it is over and done with. I really like it. I really do. I feel like I'm cheating on Motorola with the new neighbor. Yeah, I like this. It's a really, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. Alright, you know what? and it's dead. And that concludes our gaming segment. So overall, I'm very, very impressed with this device. This is just the first look. Now, the camera, I'm going to have to give it its own video. The camera has got a lot of cool features on it. I just kind of got started playing with them, so I'm going to go ahead. I took a few pictures. I'm going to go ahead and throw them up there for you. But there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with this camera. The Nokia 3.1 Plus from Cricket is an awesome device. It is an advanced budget, however you want to call it. Yeah, you do got a Cricket tramp stamp. For all you haters out there, you got the Cricket tramp stamp. But you know what? Put a case on it, you'll never see it again. You may see Lady Red with one of these real soon. I really like it. Although I don't know if I can really truly part ways with my Supra, because this only has a 3,500 milliamp an hour battery. And I'm really spoiled to my Supra with 5,000 milliamps, because it lasts me a really long time. I get about 32 hours per charge. Unless I'm, uploading, downloading, doing a lot of heavy gaming, then it'll go down faster, obviously. But the Nokia, a fantastic device. If you're considering this, definitely go ahead and get it. It's a great phone. It's a great phone. And stay right here, because I'm going to have a full screenshot of all of the specs for you, just so you can see them for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like on the video. Drop a comment. What do you think about it? You like the Nokia? I sure do. Hello, I like the Nokia. I really do. It's a great experience, a great gaming experience. The camera, I hope the boss doesn't get in a hurry mounting it, because I really want to spend some time with this camera. So right now, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. And subscribe to my channel, ring my bell, get all the notifications. And for everyone that has asked for my Amazon affiliates link, it's right down here in the description. It's just a search link. Use that as your doorway to Amazon. Help support my channel. Thank you so much.